Welcome to my channel Numismatic Coins. Hello guys, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will talk about hidden treasures worth millions of 1954 USA $quarter coin. Fellow coin enthusiasts, today, we're about to embark on a journey through time to explore the captivating story of the 1954 USA $quarter coin. What if I told you that some of these seemingly ordinary quarters are worth millions? Buckle up as we uncover the secrets behind this hidden numismatic treasure. Before you overlook that quarter in your pocket, take a closer look. The 1954 $quarter coin might appear common, but some of these coins hide unique qualities that could turn them into valuable treasures. Historical context. In 1954, the United States Mint produced a significant number of these quarters. However, what makes some of them exceptionally valuable isn't just their age but specific features that set them apart. Rarity. What contributes to the rarity of the 1954 $quarter coin? It's all about anomalies. Some coins were minted with errors, double dies, or other peculiarities, making them sought-after gems in the world of coin collecting. Expert Inside. To gain deeper insights, we spoke with Numismatic Expert, who shared their expertise on why collectors are willing to pay a premium for certain 1954 quarters. The 1954 $quarter coin can be worth significantly more if it exhibits errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or other unique variations. Collectors value these coins not just for their age but for the rarity and distinctiveness they bring to a collection. Valuable variations. Let's take a look at some examples. This 1954 $quarter coin with a double die error recently sold at auction for, mention the amount, turning it into a small fortune for its owner. Collector Testimonials. We also reached out to passionate collectors who shared their stories of finding valuable coins in everyday circulation. It turns out that sometimes, a closer look can reveal hidden treasures in your pocket change. How to identify valuable coins. If you're eager to try your luck in the world of coin collecting, keep an eye out for subtle differences in the coin's details. Consult with experts. Use magnification tools, and stay informed about recent sales to gauge the potential value of your discovery. Conclusion. So, the next time you come across a 1954 USA $quarter coin, remember, it might be more than just 25 cents, it could be a hidden gem worth millions. Happy hunting, and may you discover your own numismatic fortune. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting.
Subscribe.